Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is separation of substances or the cleaning of the foods. Generally, when we are doing that cleaning or whenever we are separating the foods items, already you know that. Students, whenever that some items or some substances or the particles are get together mixed or the mixtures are there, then what is the fine particles or fine materials we need, that time we are doing the separation. Yes, suppose we are on solid substances, we are mixing with that liquid, that is the tea powder. So after the completing the tea, whenever it is ready to take that time we are stirring or the filtering that tea powder. Okay, so same like students, so many cases we are doing that water separating the food particles from the other particles. Yes, how like the food grains we are separating from the food stacks, its stacks, and same like husk we are separating from the its crops, or like suppose there is one husk is attached, the outer cover is attached to that crops like paddy crops, that we are removing and we are separating. Okay, so these are the different, so many methods are there, so many way we are separating this whatever that unwanted things. Okay, which one is mixing with that material or the food substances or the special substances. So in the last day we have discussed about that one of the method, that is called as a hand picking. Yes, already we have studied hand picking. Whenever there is some three situations already I have told, when that the particles are, the quantity is very less. Okay, whenever we want to do that hand picking, it is one solid substances from the solid. Okay, whenever the solid mixtures are there, at that time we can separate it by the hand picking. But there is some conditions are there, students, to use that hand picking. So observe that, students, if that quantity of that substances or the material, that time what will happen, if that it is a large quantity, then we are unable to take out that to complete that our process of hand picking. Okay, because suppose 1 kg rice, we can take out that all stones or that other mixing unwanted things, whatever that it is mixed with that rice, we can find out. But whenever he will give to you, check out that what are the stones in that 1 quintals, that means 100 kgs of rice at that time, or 1 pack of sack of that rice, then at that time we cannot find out that, or we cannot take out that all stones or the small other grains or whatever that. Okay, so that is the very one condition. Second thing, what is that, it should not be whatever that mixing substances or the large particles or large mixing particles, it should not be more. That means ratio with there should not be more. If it is more quantities are there and mixing is there, so it is very it takes that long time that to take out that. So it is also not satisfied condition. Third one, what is that, students? If whenever we are finding that the substances should be larger particle than that what is that we need. Okay, that means unwanted particles should be larger than that our particle, then it is very easy to take out. Okay, students, so these are the hand picking already we have discussed in the last day. But students, today we are going to discuss other some methods which one we are following in the solid particles, we are separating from the other solid particles. So there are other 3 methods are there, already I have told. One is threshing, another one is winnow and sieving. Do you know that, students, what is that sieving? Sieving means sieve is one of the what is that mesh to built by that set up in on a frame. Do you have seen that whenever we are masons, they are doing that house construction and they are filtering that sand or other things, special they are using that one mesh for that purpose. What is that? To filter the sand. Okay, whenever the mason needs that to complete that buildings or that making the wall, at that time they needs that sand also, so they should filter that sand. That's why they are using one mesh, that is called as also sieve. Sieve is nothing but it is one of the mesh and built in on a frame. Okay, so that is called as a frame. Maybe it is a round type of which one we are using for that filter or that our atta or that floor or whatever that we are using, and that means one fine particles we can take out. That means there is one particular holes, same kinds of holes are there, and through that the pure particles will come out and the different particles will be filtered and it will stay on that sieving. Okay, so we are going to discuss about that what is the sieving method, and so also secondly we are going to discuss about that what is the threshing. Do you know the students threshing? Threshing क्या होता? Threshing is we are detaching that what grains or the crops from that stalk. Okay, by beating by the sticks. Okay, if you will beat to that stacks, then that crops it will detach from the what is that from the its stack. And also different way also we can do this threshing by allowing that trapping that what is that animals like bulls. If you will trap on that stacks of that grains, then also it will be detached. And by nowadays what happening by machine also we are detaching that crops from its stack. Yes, this is called as threshing. And what is that winnowing? Winnowing is another one method also, students. What we can separate by that window and light particles whatever that it is mixing with that is called as husk. Husk is mixing with that grain crops and whenever that we will keep with window, then by the air, then it will the light particles will detach from the grain crops. Okay, so let us will discuss about that thoroughly. What are the three different methods? Especially we will discuss about that what is the sieving. Next we will discuss about that threshing, and we will discuss also what is the winnowing in this video. So let us see. Students, observe that here what is that sieving. Okay, so now look at the students here. What is that? It is a method to separate the components of the mixture which are the different sizes. If I told already, if that stones are there, small other mods are there, and if sand, suppose if you are doing that sieving, at that time what will happen? They are mixing with the sand different types of different sizes of that particles. So we need that sand, only one type of soil, one type of sand. That's why we are doing that sieving. Okay. So whenever one mixture we are separating a one type of particles from the different mixtures, then from the mixtures. So that time we are using that one sieving. So it is one method to separate the components of the mixture which are the different sizes. We are the different sizes we are separating from that mixture. The fine components passes through the sieve and the bigger components are remain on the sieve. Students, I told you whenever that mixing are there, what are the fine substances or fine particles? It will be filtered, it will come to the down, and whatever the different sizes or the big particles are there, that it will stay on the what is that sieve. Okay, a sieve is a piece of mesh held in a frame. One frame with a, suppose like that I am doing students one. Suppose on a round type of is there, one sieve. That like there are some holes are there. Okay, this is okay like this it is there. There are so many holes are there, same types of holes are there. Through that holes, that all same types of particles, same kinds of particles it will come down, and the different particles will be on the what is that in the on the sieve. Okay, so now we will go further, students. What is the threshing? The process of separating the grains from the stack is called threshing. That means whenever, for example, students, if you say that wheat or that paddy, you have seen that paddy stack very long is there, and that also it is attached with that stacks. That paddy जो crop say it will be attached to the crop that stack with. So how will it detach from that stacks? So it is there are it can be done. The threshing can be done that three way. By beating with the sticks on the ground, and by allowing the animals, if will allow that animals to step to that compared to that food grains or food stacks, the grain craft stacks, then also it will be detached. And by the machine also nowadays, it is if the large quantity of that food grains are there, or that wheat are there, or that paddy there, then by the machine it is very easy to separate the crops from the its stacks. Okay, so let us see the process of separating grains from the stack is called threshing. Threshing can be done the following three ways. First one, three way हम threshing कर सकते हैं, मतलब detach कर सकते हैं grain को. ये जो grain है, this we can separate from the its stack. That means like that stacks are there, students. I will show that here. This is suppose this like stacks are there, students. But here, what is that grains are like that is there. Okay, so this start to we have to remove this grain. So whenever this remove this grain for purchase, three way we can do. One is by beating the stacks with the sticks on the ground पे हम रखें we can by stick with we can hammer and we can beat to that grain stacks, and then after that grains it will be detached from the stack. And also by allowing the animals like bullocks to trample the stacks whenever that it will be steps or the tramples to that grains. Then after also this grain that whatever that wheat or the paddy, rice or that crops, it will detach from its stacks. Third one, by using machine. If it is a large quantity of the paddy there, large quantity of grains are there, then how will detach? By the machine only it is easy to detach. Third, another one process is there, students, winnowing. Winnowing, what is that? It is a method used to separate lighter components of a mixture from the heavier ones by wind or by blowing the airs. Students, by the air, whenever we will blow that airs, what will happen? Whenever that it is one process, what is that? The lighter particles can separate from the heavier. That means two particles are mixture is there. One is lighter particles, that is called as husk, and a heavier particle, that is called as grain. When the grain and husk or that crops are mixing is there, at that time grain husk means what is that? The outer cover. Okay, that is light outer cover of the what is that? Grains or the crops. Okay, that whenever we will removing, at that time what you have to do? We have to allow that air by wind with it. We do have to separate by the that husk can separate it from its grains. Okay, so that it's a method used to separate the lighter components of a mixture from the heavier ones by wind or by blowing air. Generally, it is used to separate husk from the grains by the farmers. एक्चुअली वो क्या कौन कर रहे हैं? फार्मर करते हैं. फार्मर जब ग्रेन्स लेके कलेक्ट करके आने के बाद उसका साथ में जो हस्क रह जाता है, उसका ऊपर जो हस्क रह जाता है, हाउ कैन इट हस्क इज वन लाइटर पार्टिकल्स, ओके, कवरिंग टू दैट ग्रेन्स. So how can it will separate? Whenever in the outer place that you will keep that one height and or allowing that fan or that using and blowing that winds, that husk can go away because husk is very lighter than the grains. Okay, that grains will fall down and that husk will go detached from that mixture. Husk is lighter than the grains. Husk is the useful component. It is used for the fodder. Do you know that fodder? Fodder means what? Do you know? It is one of the food for the animals like cow, for buffalo and bullocks. For them, it is one of the food items. That is called as a fodder. And husk, that is one of the husk which one is separating from the food grain mixtures. Okay, friends. So these are about the different methods of specially solid particles or solid substances from the solid substances. Okay, friends. I hope you have understand what is the method or how we are separating solid substances from the other solid substances. There are the generally four methods I have told. Once I am reminding, one is hand picking, second one is sieving, third one is threshing, and fourth one is winnowing. Okay, so next we will discuss how that separation of that liquid substances and other things and other methods in the next classes. Next video, what is that decantation or what is that other methods we will discuss in that upcoming video. Till that, bye bye. Take care.